Replacement parts are available for your enMotion automated touchless countermount soap system from GP Pro. You can order accessories and replacement parts by going to www.gppro.com or calling 1-866-435-5647. Only enMotion countermount moisturizing foam soap can be used. Remove and discard the cap from the top of the refill, then remove the delivery tube from the side of the bottle and insert the blue end into the top of the bottle. You should hear and feel a snap when the delivery tube is fully inserted. Feed the delivery tube through the spout assembly and push the neck of the refill bottle into the motor assembly. To replace the battery pack, disconnect the power cord. Open the cover and remove the screws. Secure the battery pack to the back wall with appropriate screws and anchors that are sold separately. Insert 4 D-cell batteries into the front cover of the battery pack and replace the battery pack cover by inserting the bottom edge first. Hand tighten the thumb screw. Be sure to connect the battery pack power cord to the motor assembly power cord. The locking clip and wing nut can both be easily replaced. Ensure that the gasket is aligned properly before tightening the wing nut. When using the AC adapter, connect the adapter cord to the motor assembly power cord. The spacer can be used to raise the height of the dispenser. Ensure that the gasket is placed below the spacer and the spacer is aligned properly. The enMotion automated touchless countermount soap system from GP Pro. That's confidence at work.